What's up guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to talk about how to invest in stocks on the IC Wealth app. Now one thing you should know is stocks are just shares in companies, so it is not a get rich quick scheme. You should know that these companies do not become $1 million companies, million cedis companies overnight, and so their performance will actually affect the performance of your shares. The more profit they make, the higher shares or the higher money you get in return. So with that said and done, let's get into it. Now on the IC Wealth app, if you log into the account, you realize that down here at the bottom right corner there is insights. At its left side there is a trade live column. Now click on the trade live and then it takes you to a different page where you can actually trade your stocks. Now here you see various stocks. We have the Anglo Gold, Ashanti stocks, the Access Bank, the ADB and all that. Now what you want to do is tap here to trade. So tap on that and then it takes you to the Wealth IC Africa website where you can actually add funds, make deposits, and then buy and sell all the stocks. Now this is my account. As you can see, I have a cash balance of 142 cedis in there, and then I have an available of 13 cedis. Now this is because I've used some of that money to purchase the stock and it is still pending. Now what you want to do is add funds. If this is the first time you're actually trying to buy shares in the companies, you have to first of all add funds. So you click on add funds, then you have to select portfolio, select the trade live portfolio here, and then enter the amount you want to deposit. If it's 200, you enter 200, then select the next thing, that is payment type. You can either pay with Master or Visa card, your Airtel to go cash, or Vodafone cash, or your MTN mobile money. Select and then submit and then confirm. So let's go back. So after making the deposit, the next thing you want to do is find the stock or the share in which you are interested in. I have a balance of 13 Ghana cedis here, which I'll use to go through the process for you. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be buying Clyde. Clyde Stone is a company, it's a tech company actually that actually deals with ATMs and other tech investments. So and the current price right now is 0.08. So all you want to do is click on buy. It takes you to the purchase order page. Now you want to enter the number of shares you want to buy. So I'll just go with let's say 100, and 100 will give me an amount of 9 cedis 22 pesos. Okay, so 100 shares of Clyde is 9 cedis 22 pesos, as that is at its current price of 0.08 Ghana cedis. So the next thing you want to do is click on proceed, and then it takes you to the confirmation page. Click on submit, and it takes some time to fetch market data, and then yeah, your order has been submitted successfully. So you want to confirm that, you go to the history, because you have local equities here, first income. You go to the history tab, and then right here you see your Clyde here pending. So you have the price of 0.08, quantity 100. It is not yet executed, net consideration of 9 cedis 22 pesos, and it is pending. So that is it. It actually takes some time, sometimes days, to get this order executed. It depends on the availability of the market and all that. So that is it. Very simple steps to purchase stocks or shares on the IC Wealth app. If you find this video helpful, kindly click the subscribe button, click the like button as well, and turn on notifications for more finance and investment videos.